Hello everyone, this is session 8 of Optional English BA 3rd semester of VSK University, Ballari. The topic is Introduction to Romanticism. A brief note on Romanticism it is. The Romantic period in English literature is taken to begin with the publication of Wordsworth and Coleridge's lyrical ballads and end with the death of the novelist Sir Walter Scott. The span covered since 1796 to 1832. Romanticism is a movement in art and literature in the 18th and 19th centuries in revolt against the neoclassicism of the previous centuries. The German poet Friedrich Schlegel, who is given credit for first using the term romantic to describe the literature, defined it as literature depicting emotional matter in an imaginative form. Here are few points that describe romanticism, which are focal points of it: imagination, emotion, freedom, subjectivity, emphasis on individualism, spontaneity, freedom from rules, solitary life, devotion to beauty, love of and worship of nature. Let us see the word romance means. The word romance derived from Latin. A Roman or Romance came to be known as an imaginative work and a courtly romance. The term also signified a popular book. Romance means in 17th century as fanciful, bizarre, exaggerated. The term also meant romantic mood, a psychological desire to escape from unpleasant realities. There are many contexts that contributed to the origin of Romanticism. There are social and historical contexts. Here we can see individual consciousness. Romanticism is concerned with the individual more than with society. The individual consciousness and especially the individual imagination are fascinating for the Romantics. Industrial Revolution. The term generally means the development of improved spinning and weaving machines. James Watt's steam engine, the railway locomotive, and the factory system. But there was a long series of fundamental technological, economic, social, and cultural changes which, taken together, constitute the Industrial Revolution. American War of Independence. America was already a symbol of hope for Europeans laboring under absolute monarchs. The American Rebellion of 1775 and 76 signaled the first stirring of the worldwide spirit of revolution that was to galvanize the Romantic age. Other revolutionary changes which happened during the period: agricultural improvements, economic changes, wider distribution of wealth, political changes corresponding to the new needs of an industrialized society, sweeping social changes. There are growth of cities, development of working class movements, and the emergence of new patterns of authority and cultural transformations of a broad range. And also French Revolution is also contribute the origin for or the result for Romanticism. The French Revolution of 1789 conducted in the name of liberty, fraternity, and equality for all, was the epitome of the bourgeois revolt and the desire to take political power from the hands of the landed aristocracy which composed the ranks of the nobility. Each English romantic poet is a bourgeois revolutionary. Each yearns for freedom. To them, the instincts are free, and society everywhere puts them in chains. Their yearning is for a return to the natural man, to a natural rather than artificial language, to a nature unspoiled by mankind. These are all about the Romanticism and its origin and its meaning. And this is the reference which I have followed for the content. Thank you, one and all.